providing some introductory videos of our MakerPlace, specifically our hand tool cabinet. But today I'm going to be looking to the left and teaching you how to use our vinyl cutter. The very first step in learning how to use our vinyl cutter is to use this particular computer. It's the MPL MakerPlace 1 computer. And you're going to, on the desktop, find Windows XP, click on it, and log into this particular program. It is what's compatible with our laser cutter. Step 2, turn the vinyl cutter on. The switch for the vinyl cutter is just on the left side of the machine. It's literally a switch. Once you are in Windows XP, you're going to once again look at the desktop and click your Cut Studio icon. For step 4, I'm going to draw your attention to these instructions that are found to the right of the computer. 4 states, from sidebar menu, lay in text first. Highlight properties to change font, format, size, and shape, and position. This particular step depends on the project you're doing. If you want to make a sign with lettering, this is something that you want to follow. But today, I want to make a stencil out of a graphic, so I'm going to skip to number 5. This is what you do. If you're wanting to import a graphic, what you're going to do is look at the top bar that says Import. Click on Import, and from here, you can get downloads from the internet if you're looking to make a stencil of a graphic, for example. What I've done here is I've made 2 targets on the same page so that I save the vinyl. But to do that, I just basically downloaded 2 of the same image. Once the image appears on the screen, you're going to right-click it, and Image Outline appears as an option. Click on that and make sure you have Extract Contour Lines already clicked. Once that's done, you're going to do another right-click, and you're going to go to Properties, and this time you're going to adjust the size of your object according to what your project needs are. So in this case, I'm doing wood round targets that are about 19 inches in diameter. For step 6, you're going to go back to the top menu and click on Move. When you've done that, you have a little arrow icon that will allow you to move the object away from the far left or the far right, so that when the vinyl cutter is cutting, its arm won't glitch if it's too close to one side. Step 7, load vinyl. So if black is not the color you want to use, which is already installed, you're just going to use this lever at the back, push toward the back wall, and you can remove the vinyl. It comes out quite easily, and then just simply take your other vinyl color that you're looking for and roll it in with the colored side up. Once it's in place and it looks fairly in line, you're going to pull the lever back in place. Step 8, you can see here on the display it says select and then roll. Just simply press enter. The machine has just tested for the width of the material. Now what's left to do is to adjust the vinyl so that there isn't a large space of vinyl that's wasted. So to do that, you're just going to use the arrow buttons. I'm pushing it backward a bit, close to where the cutter is going to start cutting. For step 9, you're then going to go back to the upper menu and select Cutting. When you do that, you're going to see that the Roland Cam 1 CX24 comes up as the name for the printer. Click OK. Now you're going to unclamp your vinyl, pull it out just slightly to the point where it's just beyond your cutout or your stencil, and then reclamp it. Use your X-Acto knife to cut along this line on the machine. You can see the line is just an indentation. That will allow for a clean cut. Finally, make sure you turn the machine off when you're done, and if you're ever running into any issues, you can abort by just turning off the machine.